Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely Taigo R-Line we've currently got for sale, finished in King's Red metallic paint, in combination with the black mirror caps and also the black roof. It's got that 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS, with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox as well. Starting off at the front is LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And down the side you've got the optionally fitted 18-inch Misano alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors, as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. There's a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats, so plenty of room here for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. Inside it gets lovely R-Line upholstery with the park cloth and Alcantara, and your rear passengers will benefit from a couple of USB-C ports. Towards the front there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, alongside your centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. And just behind the wheels a full digital display housing all your vital driving information. Alongside digital radio and your Bluetooth connectivity, you'll benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's also plenty of assistance systems available to help keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including side assist and much more. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors, which are backed up by this rear view camera. You've also got multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got your dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with wireless phone charging available and a couple more USB-C ports. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.